Hello students, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk you about the sorting option. How to do that? It is very simple. Just do the selection. In the home tab there is this particular option AZ. You are getting this. Once your cursor over here, you will get to see the sort option. Click over here, sort by paragraph, and type is text. By default it has made a selection of text. It will do the selection by itself. If it's text, it's going to be text. If it's number, again it will do the selection of number. So it's text, and if I want to do it on a ascending order, do the selection of ascending and click on OK. You can see this data has been arranged in an ascending order. However, if you want to do it on a descending manner, click over here once again, select the descending order and click OK. Similarly, in case of numbers also it can happen. I have typed few random numbers, made a selection, click on this sort option. You can see here by default it has made a selection of number. Similarly, it can do the selection of date also if you are typing a date. I'm going for ascending and click on OK, and then it has done its work. Okay, I'm removing this particular option and making it a combined data. I'm going for sorting. By default again it's text and ascending order. I've clicked on OK. So by default number has been considered as a smaller as compared to text one. Means if on a alphabetical wise you are doing the sorting, then it's A to Z. On a number basis, if you are doing it smallest to largest on an ascending order. But if there are numbers also and there are text also, then numbers are also being considered as a text, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are in ascending order. Those are the first one as compared to ABCD. So that's the reason you will get to see this particular one. So this is all about sorting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.